Hello friends, today we are discuss problem solving method. Problem solving method is the definition of this method is the problem solving is a combination of experience, knowledge, process and the art. Design process is a series of logical steps that when follow produce an optimal solution given time and resources as to constraint. Problem solving skill must be used when problem is created. It means there are some points knowledge, motivation, experience, communication skill, learning skill and group skill. These are all the skills must be used when the problem is created, and in this way the problem solve. In the problem solving analysis, the discussing characteristics of a qualified engineer is the ability to solve technical problems, both art and science. In the science, knowledge of mathematics, chemistry, physics, etc. And art is the proper judgment, experience, common sense, know how, know when I and how science should be applied and whether the resulting answer reasonably satisfies the original problem is an art. The discussing characteristics of the qualified engineer. There are some technique in error free problem solving. It means there is not error. Is a always draw picture of the physical situation if possible. It means when problem is created or we have to solve this problem, there is first of all always draw picture of this physical situation. It means in our front of our eyes we have to create a physical image this problem and then state any assumption made. It means in this problem the state the any assumption made and then indicate all given properties on the diagram with their units. It means the problem is created and then properties on the diagram. It means the situation is created and how to their units we have to solve this problem, then convert units to a given unit system and label unknown quantities with a question mark. It means there is no question mark. Okay, then there is skill used in implementing. Okay, how to skill is implementing problem solving. There is decision making. It means the use logic. Okay, compare the various ideas and select the best one. It means there are some more ideas. Okay, but we have to only select the best one. Okay, then generalization. It means going from the specific to the broad, use abstraction to analysis, synthesis and decision making. Then there is the types of problems. It means which are the types of problems. There are first of all research problems, second knowledge problems, then mathematics problems, resource problems, social problems and design problems, and troubleshooting problems is also the minor problem. Okay, it means the research problem is the we have to discuss in this problem there are research. Okay, about the research. Research it means you have to research anything or any one situation. Okay, and then knowledge problem is also the best example of the our self. Okay, then mathematics problems. Mathematics is related to the mathematics. Then resource. social, okay, social background problems, then design problems. These are the types of problems, and these problem solving method is used in soft skills. Okay, there are in the our syllabus last unit the problem solving method and time management. In the problem solving method there is also the time management is very important, because of the we have the include various points, but how do we have to get that points, okay, and that's why there is a time management is also the very important skill. Okay, thank you, students. Please must watch and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.